Hey, hi. This video is about how to open browsers using Selenium. First thing you need is a browser. In this video, I will show how to launch Chrome and Firefox. Next, we need drivers. Note that each browser has their own drivers, and these drivers helps us to launch the browsers. Without them, you cannot execute your test. Let's download Chrome and Firefox driver. Open your browser, search for ChromeDriver, download, click on the first link and download the driver according to your Google version. And download the ChromeDriver for Windows. Similarly, search for Gecko driver, that is Firefox driver. Click on the first link, it will take you to a GitHub repo. And again, download which is suitable for Windows. Now you can unzip both and keep it. Now open your Eclipse IDE. I have already created a project named Automation with Selenium, and I have also added all the Selenium jar files to it. So now under the source folder, create a package, and I am going to name it as form.selenium.basics. Always follow the naming conventions. Package name starts with small letter. If it has multiple words, then separate them with a dot. Now create a class under that package. I'm going to name it as Open Browser. I have also included public static void main. We all know that public static void main is the first one to get executed in Java. Now we will set the properties. There is a class named system, and this system class has many methods in it. We are going to use setProperty method. This setProperty method takes two arguments. One is property name and the other one is value. So the use of this setProperty method is to set the properties of the browser that we are going to use in the automation. Now I'm going to launch the ChromeDriver. So in the property name, I'll give it as webdriver.chrome.driver. If you are using Firefox, then it should be like webdriver.gecko.driver. Now in the value field, you have to give the path of the driver that you have downloaded. I'm copying the path of the driver which I have downloaded earlier. I'll put it here. And at last you have to add chromedriver.exe, because that is the thing that we have downloaded. Let's see something here. There is an interface called WebDriver interface, and there is a class named Remote WebDriver class, and this Remote WebDriver class implements WebDriver interface, which means WebDriver interface will have some methods in it, and this Remote WebDriver class will define all the methods of the WebDriver interface. Now we have few more classes like ChromeDriver, Firefox driver, etc. All these classes extends Remote WebDriver class, which means Remote WebDriver class will be the superclass, and ChromeDriver, Firefox driver, these classes will be the subclass. Now if we create an object for ChromeDriver class, we can access all the methods of ChromeDriver as well as the Remote WebDriver class. One of the main reasons of automation is to do cross-browser testing, but in this case, we can perform actions only on Chrome browser. What if we need to do it in Firefox browser? Again, we have to create new object for Firefox driver. So to overcome this, we have an alternative, that is WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. This WebDriver is the interface. We are creating a reference variable to it and we are casting it to ChromeDriver class. Now our driver variable will have access to all the subclasses. Now let's write the code as WebDriver driver equals to new ChromeDriver. That is interface and driver is the reference variable. New ChromeDriver is to create the object of ChromeDriver. Now I'm importing the packages and with this driver keyword we can access all the methods, right? Driver dot. There is a method called get that is used to open the URL. So inside that you can give any URL. Now that's it. I save the code and I'll run it. So Chrome started successfully. Now you can see that Chrome window popped up and it got opened.